Okay, Arab, today we are going to play a game of animal sound. Are you ready?
Yeah, Mama.
Okay. Okay, Arab, you will make a sound of animals. Mama will ask you. Okay? Crow says.
Cow, cow.
Cow says.
Moo, moo.
Cat says.
Meow, meow.
Duck says.
Quack, quack.
Okay. Horse says.
Neigh, neigh.
Elephant says.
Trumpet, trumpet.
Okay. Rooster says.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
And goat says.
Ma, ma.
Dog says.
Woof, woof.
Very good. Lion says.
Roar.
Sheep says.
Ba, ba.
Pig says.
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink.
Okay. Donkey says.
Hee-ha, hee-ha, hee-ha.
Frog says.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Chicken says.
Cluck, cluck,
Cluck, cluck. Very good. And snake says.
Hitch, hitch, hitch.
Very good. And bee says.
Bee, bird, bird.
Okay. Mouse says.
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Squeak, squeak. Very good. And bear says.
Growl.
Growl. Very good. Okay, Arab, it's a quiz time now. Mama will make a sound of animals and you have to answer me the name of animal. Okay? Yes. Which animal says cow, cow?
Crow.
Crow. Very good. Which animal says hee-ha, hee-ha, hee-ha?
Donkey.
Donkey. Very good. Ribbit, ribbit.
Frog.
Frog. Good. Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck.
Hen.
Hen. Very good. Moo, moo.
Cow.
Cow. Very good. Quack, quack.
Duck.
Nice. Neigh, neigh.
Horse.
Good. Trumpet, trumpet.
Eye.
Elephant. Very good. Which animal says cock-a-doodle-doo?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yes.
Hen.
No. Rooster. Okay. Okay. Meh, meh.
Goat.
Very good. Goat. Woof, woof, woof.
Dog.
Good. Which animal says roar?
Lion.
Lion. Very good. Ba, ba.
Sheep.
Sheep. Very good. Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
Pig.
Very good. Pig. Hiss, hiss.
Snake.
Hiss. Very good. Snake. Squeak, squeak.
Mouse.
Mouse. Very good. Which animal says growl, growl?
Bear.
Grr. Bear. Very good. You have done a great job. You won the game.